Hey everyone, welcome back to Z Tech Advisor channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of gap analysis, and I'm excited to share some amazing tutorials with you. So, let's get started. The gap analysis is one of the core strategic planning tools available to cybersecurity programs, and it's crucial knowledge for information security professionals. The basic concept behind a gap analysis is straightforward. Identify the gap between the current state and the desired state of your information security program. Gap analysis serves as a foundational tool in strategic planning for cybersecurity initiatives, essential for professionals in the field. It's a straightforward concept. To conduct a gap analysis, you must first define the ideal state of your cybersecurity measures. What security controls do you envision to achieve your objectives? This ideal state is shaped by various requirements, including internal policies mandating encryption of sensitive data both at rest and during transmission, and the enforcement of multi-factor authentication on systems housing such data. For instance, consider a healthcare provider in the US. They must align their security measures with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act HIPAA to protect patient health records. Similarly, companies dealing with EU residents' personal data must adhere to the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR), and those handling credit card transactions must comply with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard (PCI-DSS). These external regulations, combined with internal policies, define the desired state of an organization's information security. The second element of gap analysis is a truthful evaluation of your current cybersecurity posture, which can be self-assessed or reviewed by an external consultant. This assessment reveals your current standing and the effectiveness of your existing security controls. Let's take a real-life example. A regional bank plans to upgrade its cybersecurity measures. It starts by defining its desired state, which includes advanced encryption protocols, robust access controls, and comprehensive employee training programs. The bank then assesses its current state, identifying that while it has basic encryption and access controls, its employee training is outdated, and multi-factor authentication is not universally implemented. In the gap analysis, the bank compares its current state to the desired state, identifying discrepancies such as the lack of advanced encryption and comprehensive training as gaps. To reach its desired state, the bank must address these gaps. After identifying the gaps, the bank prioritizes remediation tasks and creates a multi-year security program roadmap, considering the complexity of tasks and available resources. This roadmap is a critical asset, guiding the bank's efforts and ensuring alignment with its security objectives. The roadmap's timeline may extend over several years, reflecting the scope of the cybersecurity enhancements planned. Can you provide more examples of control gaps? 1. Certainly. Control gaps in cybersecurity refer to the discrepancies between the current state of an organization's security measures and the desired state of security controls. Here are some examples of control gaps. 2. Weak credentials. Using simple or default passwords can leave systems vulnerable to unauthorized access. 1. 3. Insider threats. Employees with malicious intent or negligent behaviors can pose significant risks. 1. 4. Outdated software. Failing to update software can lead to vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. 1. 5. Malware protection. Inadequate anti-malware and antivirus solutions can leave systems open to attacks. 6. Data encryption. Not encrypting sensitive data, both at rest and in transit, can lead to data breaches. 2. 7. Endpoint protection. Lack of comprehensive endpoint security, beyond basic antivirus, such as firewalls and host intrusion prevention systems (HIPs), can be a gap. 8. Patch management. Not regularly applying security patches can leave known vulnerabilities unaddressed. 3. 9. IoT security. Internet of Things devices often lack robust security, making them easy targets for cyber attacks. 3. 10. Employee training. Without regular security awareness training, employees may inadvertently become the weakest link in security. Risk management. Not evaluating and addressing risks can result in cyber attacks and data breaches. 5. 11. Addressing these gaps typically involves implementing stronger security policies, updating and patching systems, enhancing employee training, and adopting comprehensive security frameworks like ISO, IEC 27021. By identifying and closing these gaps, organizations can significantly strengthen their cybersecurity posture. In summary, A gap analysis helps organizations identify and bridge the differences between their current and desired security states, enabling them to prioritize and plan their security improvements effectively. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and don't forget to follow me for more incredible tutorials like this one. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy learning.